Hello everyone, this is Nitesh Kumar and welcome to Nitesh Labs. Today we are going to discuss about design and development of BLE mesh based smart lighting system. You can reach me for any of your queries through my mail ID, that is niteshkumar027 at the rate of gmail.com, which is mentioned here. The concept of smart lighting is growing exponentially. As we can see now, general LED lighting has almost reached its saturation stage. With the introduction of Alexa, Google Home, and other IoT enabled devices, the lighting segment is truly changing its colors. In the coming few years, smart lighting will replace completely the general lighting system. Now, coming to the features of BLE Mesh based smart lighting system. BLE Mesh based smart lighting system offers plenty of features and additional features over other smart lighting control systems. Few of them are: number 1, one can tune the light remotely through mobile app over 16 million colors. Second one can tune from warm white to cool white, that is from 3000K to 6000K at its convenience remotely through mobile app. Third one can do scene setting by combining number of lights or group of lights. Fourth, one can do digital dimming from 0 to 100% through mobile app. Fifth, one can perform grouping of lights. Sixth, one can perform scheduling of lights. Seventh, one can on off the lights individually or in a group or all at once. Eighth, one can control either one light or group of light or all light with full freedom. Now coming to the advantages and disadvantages of BLE mesh based smart lighting system control. As we know, everything is having its own advantages and disadvantages. Here the major comparison is between BLE mesh based lighting control and Wi-Fi based smart lighting control. Coming to the advantages column first, let us do point by point analysis. First, any number of lights can be controlled through single mobile app. This is the first advantage. Second, yes, it can be made compatible with Alexa and Google Home. Third, very important, no internet is required for its operation. Yes, I repeat, no internet is required for its operation. Fourth, yes, you are right. Outdoor smart lighting control is possible through this technology as it does not require internet. That is, architect lighting, facade lighting, street lighting can be made possible. Now coming to the disadvantages column. First, to control the light, one has to come within 80-meter radius of any of the light. This is the first disadvantage. Second, external gateway is required to control the BLE mesh based lighting via internet. If you want to expand the range of control, it has to be connected to the internet, and to connect to internet you have to add an external gateway, which is a little costly affair. Third, without gateway the controlling range is limited, as it is discussed, as it does not get connected to internet. Now coming to the list of products which can be done using this technology. There are number of products which can be done using this technology. It's all up to your imaginations. Here I am presenting you the list which I have worked on. The first is batten light, which is generally made of either 20 watt or 24 watt or sometime even 40 watt. Panel lights, which are done or available in the range from 6 watt to 24 watt. Strip lights. Fourth is down light, which these are again available in different combinations. Spotlights are the another varieties. Portable table lamp, which are battery powered. Seventh is 2 by 2 panel lights. Eighth is bulbs. Ninth, street lights of various ratings and various shapes. 10th, floodlights. 11, garden lights, etc. For more information, please see the list of products which can be done using this technology. I have attached the list of the product in the below description column. Now I am presenting you some of the design files. This is the design file of 9 to 12 watt BLE mesh based smart lighting bulb. It has 5 PWM control, 3 for RGB and 2 for warm white and cool white. As you can see the images, third and fourth image correspond to the driver section. Fifth and sixth image correspond to LED board section. This is the design file of 100 watt smart floodlight. It is similar to the previous one, only power rating is increased. In the previous case it was 9 to 12 watt, here it is 100 watt. This is the mobile app web page for changing the light colors. You can toggle between color and white tabs. When you select color tab, the present page will be displayed. From this you can change to 16 million colors. You can also adjust the dimming intensity of the lamp. When you select white tab, the another similar page will be displayed. From there you can change the light colors from WW to CW, that is from 3000K to 6000K. You can also adjust the dimming intensity of the lamp from there. Now let us see the demonstration video which will explain better. Let us see the demonstration of BLE mesh. For demonstration I am using 7 different smart lamps. Here all lamps can be switched on and off using one toggle button on the application of mobile phone. Each and every lamp can be controlled individually or in a group. Further, we can create groups, scenes, do scheduling and much more. Everything can be controlled or created from the smartphone application or through a GUI which is supplied on the computer system. Here we are using 7 different smart lamps. Lamp 1 has the capability of RGB plus WW and CW, that is, it can be tuned to 16 million colors, as well as from WW to CW, that is from 3000K to 6000K. Similarly, lamp 2 also has the capacity of RGB plus WW and CW. Lamp 3 also has the capability of RGB plus WW and CW. Lamp 4 also has the capability of RGB plus WW and CW. Lamp 5 has the capability of only WW and CW, that means it can be tuned from warm white to cool white, that is from 3000K to 6000K. It will not give you an effect of RGB. Similarly, lamp 6 also has the capability of the similar way WW and CW, and lamp 7 also has the capability of WW and CW. This is lamp number 1. This is lamp number 2. This is lamp number 3. This is lamp number 4. This is lamp number 5. Lamp number 6. Lamp number 7. So now we'll try to eliminate all the lamp at once. we'll switch it off. Again we'll illuminate all and switch it off. Now I'll try to see the individual performance of each of the lamp. The first lamp, we're changing the colors to 16 million colors to the mobile app. Similarly, this is the sixth lamp. So in this way we'll control each and every lamp individually through the mobile app, and we'll show you. This is the seventh lamp. You can see the color is changing from 3000K to 6000K, that is from cool white to warm white. Here the color is being changed. We can tune to any of the color we want. This is the second lamp which we are tuning right now. So we can actually command any of the individual bulb, that what we are showing you here. Everything is being controlled through the mobile app. Now let us see the grouping features. Here n number of groups can be created with n number of combinations. Here in group 1 we have placed all the 7 lamps. So if we toggle WW and CW control, all 7 will respond simultaneously, and if we toggle RGB control, only first 4 will respond simultaneously. Now you can see all the 7 lamps are changing their colors simultaneously. So they are being controlled by WW and CW control. All the 7 lamps have got the capability of WW and CW. Now when we are toggling and controlling from RGB control, so only first 4 is responding and they are changing their color, although they are placed in the same group. But since only these 4 lamps have got the capability of color changing, so that is why this only 4 lights are changing right now. If all the 7 lamps would be having the capability, then all the 7 would have shown the same effect. Coming to the group number 2, here in group 2 we have put the last 3 lamps. So if we toggle WW and CW control, only last 3 lamp will respond simultaneously. As you can see, the other remaining lamps will not respond because they are not placed in this group. Coming to the group number 3, here in this group we have put the first 4 lamps. So if we change any color out of 16 million, we can do that, as well as we can change it from WW to CW, that is from 3000K to 6000K. This because these 4 lamps have got both the capability of color changing as well as WW and CW. The other 3 lamps will not show any effect because those 3 lamps are not placed in this group. So this is the grouping. This is how you can do the grouping. Scene setting features. As I have said earlier that n number of scenes can be created with n number of combinations. Here we have already created a scene with the help of the lamps by adjusting to the colors mentioned below. Now to recall the scene, we have just to click an icon on the mobile app. See, now we have already made those bulbs with that particular colors, like first one green, second one red, third one blue. Now this scene was already created. Now just by clicking one icon we got this colors, this particular things activated. This was another scene which was created, and now it can be reactivated in the similar way. Here lamp 1 was made blue, green, and second was green. So the previous one was different, the second one is different. So you can create n number of scenes and save it in the memory, and that will be stored in your mobile app. So now after clicking those or altering them, you can get back those scenes at once. One of the another great feature which is provided by the BLE Mist based smart lighting control system is scheduling. The scheduling function can be activated in the similar way as scene setting or group setting from the mobile app. Scheduling function gives the user the flexibility to use timers for switching on or off the lights. One can set the timer based on hours, minutes, or seconds in 24 hours format. One can even set the timer based on days, months, or years. By activating this function, if a user wants to switch on or off a group of light or an individual light or all the lights, or if he wants to activate a pre-created scene, or if he wants to activate a particular group at any point of time in future, he can do that by the help of the scheduling timer facility. If a user wants to do it in a repeated mode, like for example, if he wants to activate a group of light or an individual light on every Friday between 6 p.m. to 8 a.m., he can even achieve that. Now let us look at the scheduler setting mobile app web page. The web page is very nicely and neatly designed. The web page is also very user friendly. The interface looks like this. You can opt for settings in years. You can even customize it. You can opt for the settings in months. You can opt for the settings in days. You can opt for the settings in hours. You can opt for the settings in minutes. You can opt for the settings in seconds. You can opt for the settings in weeks. You can also recall the scenes which you have created. In this video, I have tried to cover up advantages, disadvantages, features, and working demo of BLE Mist based smart lighting design control. In the upcoming video series, we will cover the other three parts. First, hardware design of different luminaries. Second, firmware design. Third, app development part.